Super Duper English.
Welcome, super duper learners, to the magical world of animals. Get ready for an exciting journey where we'll meet mammals, reptiles, birds, bugs, and sea animals. Each group of animal is special. Are you ready? Welcome to the world of mammals. 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 Mammals are warm animals. Some mammals have fur. Mammals have milk for their babies. Some live in the sea, and some live on the land. Can you see the mammals? Dog. 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 Cat. 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 Whale. 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 Elephant. 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 Bear. 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 Monkey. 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 Lion. 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 Giraffe. 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 Rabbit. 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 Dolphin. 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 Goodbye, mammals. Welcome to the world of reptiles. 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 Reptiles are cold animals and they like to play in the sun. Reptiles' body is made of scales. Reptiles lay eggs on land. Reptiles can crawl, slither, and swim. Can you see the reptiles? Turtle. 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 Snake. 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 Lizard. 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 Crocodile. 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 Alligator. 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 Gecko. 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 Iguana. 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 Chameleon. 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 Tortoise. 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 Goodbye, reptiles. Welcome to the world of birds. 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 Birds have feathers and some can fly. Birds live in a nest. Birds can lay eggs. Some can talk. Some can sing. Can you see the birds? Sparrow. 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 Eagle. 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 Hummingbird. 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 Owl. 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 Peacock. 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 Robin. 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 Parrot. 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 Flamingo. 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 Duck. 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 Penguin. 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 Goodbye, birds. Welcome to the world of bugs. 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 Bugs have spots and some are colorful. Some can crawl, some can jump, and some can fly. Bugs can sting and some can bite. Bugs love flowers and leaves. Can you see the bugs? Butterfly. 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 Ant. 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 Ladybug. 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 Bee. 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 Spider. 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 Grasshopper. 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 Dragonfly. 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 Caterpillar. 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 Mosquito. 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 Beetle. 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 Goodbye, bugs. Welcome to the world of sea animals. Sea animals. Sea animals. Sea animals. Sea animals are big and small. They swim in water, not on land. Some swim fast and some swim slow. Some are yummy and some are yucky. Can you see the sea animals? Fish. 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 Dolphin. 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 Shark. 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 Seahorse. 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 Octopus. 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 Turtle. 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 Whale. 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 Jellyfish. 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 Crab. 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 Starfish. 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 Goodbye, sea animals. Let's answer some questions. What kind of animals have fur and provide milk for their babies? A. Reptiles. B. Birds. C. Mammals. The answer is C. Mammals. Which animals are cold and have bodies made of scales? A. Reptiles. B. Birds. C. Bugs. The answer is A. Reptiles. Where do birds live and lay eggs? A. In the water. B. In a nest. C. In the sand. The answer is B. In a nest. Which group of animals can sting and bite? A. Mammals. B. Bugs. C. Birds. The answer is B. Bugs. Where do sea animals live? A. On land. B. In the air. C. In water. The answer is C. In water. Which animals have feathers and some can fly? A. Reptiles. B. Birds. C. Mammals. The answer is B. Birds. What do mammals and reptiles have in common? A. They can fly. B. They have scales. C. They can live in the sea or on land. The answer is C. They can live in the sea or on land. Great job, guys. See you next time.